Yes, students, good morning, all of you. Are you all ready for class now? Yes. Okay. Who will tell me what is a sentence? Yes, Jasleen. Put your answer in chat box, beta. Okay. Give me any one example of sentence. Any one example. Yes. Remove your mask and speak loud. She is doing her work. Okay. She spoke. She is doing her work. Right? Any other example? Yes. Any other example except all this? अब आप सब ऐसे बोलने लगा तो she is that, she is that. Change your sentence. Yes. I. Okay. Good. Hard work is the key to success. Okay. Remove your mask, please. Ram is playing football. Okay. Any other? Yes, Aisha. Okay. Yes, Angel. Remove your mask, please. Yes. Okay. Let me modification. They saw a. Okay. So now, who will tell me verb in these two sentences? Verb. Who will tell me verb? Yes, just food. I am eating lunch. Just know your sentence is also correct. Good, Tanashka. Yes. I am asking for the verb. In this sentence, find out the verb. Which is verb? Yes. Doing, okay. Is doing, okay. And in second sentence, stop. Stop. So my dear students, so our today's topic is Unit 5, the verbs, and we will discuss the kinds of verbs. Okay, so there is no need to write anything on the notebook. You first of all just listen. Okay. So my dear students, today we will do Unit 5. The verb, kinds of verbs. Okay, who will tell me what is the meaning of verb now? What is the meaning of verb? किस चीज को हम verb कहते हैं? Yes. Action verbs. Okay. Give me any example of action verb. Yes, Yajat. Okay. And yes, Aisha. What is the meaning of verb? Yes, this is also the correct meaning. क्योंकि अब हमने जो भी सब्जेक्ट में करा उसके बारे में हमें बता दिया. Means action which is done by the subject. Okay, so we can say that a verb is a word which says something about the subject. Okay, so now you all gave me the example of that. She is doing and she watched the movie and all that, whatever we discussed. So now let me discuss with you the kinds of verbs. Okay, but before discussing, let me tell you one thing. Like if I say the man killed, अगर मैं इसको कोई सेंटेंस को ऑब्जेक्ट ना दूं, okay, so do you think this sentence have a sense? Has a sense? This sentence has a sense? No. So we can say that हमें इसके आगे कोई ऑब्जेक्ट लगाना पड़ेगा ना इस सेंटेंस की सेंस को कंप्लीट करने के लिए. So this is the sentence, the man killed. Okay, the man killed in itself is incomplete sentence. ये कंप्लीट नहीं है. इसको कंप्लीट करने के लिए मेरे को एक ऑब्जेक्ट देना पड़ेगा इस सेंटेंस. The man killed what? A snake. Okay, or we can say that any tiger, any wolf, क्या killed करा उसने. तो हमें वो ऑब्जेक्ट जो यहाँ पे मेंशन करना पड़ेगा इस सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट करने के लिए. Am I clear? So for example, मैं इसको बदलती हूँ a snake. So killed is a and a snake is a object. जिसने भी सेंटेंस की सेंस को कंप्लीट करा, फुलफिल करा, right? So now in the same way, the girls plucked dash a cloud. So in this way we can say that plucked is a verb and flowers a object. So my dear students, when you people have sentences in front of you which are incomplete and you know जिनकी verb को एक object की जरूरत होती है, किसी ना किसी एक object की जरूरत होती है अपनी sentence को complete करने के लिए. So that type of we can say that the verbs they are known as a transitive verb. Which verb? Transitive verb. Transitive verb. Am I clear? So in this way we can say that the killed verb and the plucked verb, they are which verbs? Transitive verbs. क्योंकि इनको कंप्लीट करने की जरूरत पड़ी ना हमें, ये अपने आप में कंप्लीट नहीं थे, इनको एक ऑब्जेक्ट की रिक्वायरमेंट थी अपने मीनिंग को फुलफिल करने के लिए. Right? Now who will give me more examples of the transitive verb? First of all, tell me that am I clear to all? The meaning of transitive verb is clear? Yes. Yes, what's about online students? Am I clear? Okay. So now who will give me more examples of the transitive verb? Yes. Yes, beta. What? The hunter shot. What the hunter shot? The hunter shot the bird. कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं आप. Yes. The hunter shot a tiger. So complete sentence बोलो आप. Yes, now. Yes. They. Your voice is not clear. Speak again. Shot the tiger. Shot the tiger. We have already done. Yes, any other example? She laughed at whom? Tanishka, complete your sentence. Yes.
They reach the palace.
They teach.
They reach the palace.
They teach the parrots. Okay. We watched the mobile or the phone. Okay. Yes, Ajit. Rohan saw a rainbow. Okay, good. Good sentence. Yes, Angel. My brother works in a hospital. Good sentence. So it means to say that कि जब हमें ये पता लगे कि what का हम आंसर करें, कि जैसे the hunter shot what, okay, we can say that the man killed what, Okay, जब हमें what का specific answer मिले, so we need one object to complete that verb, and that verb is known as transitive verb. So am I clear what is the meaning of transitive verb?
Yes.
Yes, we received a gift. This is absolutely correct answer. Good. So now the meaning of transitive verb I hope is clear to all of you. So now come to the next. So now let's see. Sentences fire burns. This sentence is complete in itself, no? Fire burns. इसको किसी ऑब्जेक्ट की जरूरत नहीं है, इसको किसी वर्ड की जरूरत नहीं है. अब देखो, but tell me the verb. Tell me the verb now. Yes, beta, tell me the verb. You, Gurkaman, I am asking you. Burns. Burns is a verb, right? So this burns verb को किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट की या वर्ड की जरूरत नहीं, right? So write down the next sentence like. No, there is no need to write. Just read that. The child smiled. Yes, smile or smile. Verb. Tell me the verb. Yes. Smiled is the verb. The child smiled. So this sentence is complete in itself. ये sentence जो अपने आप में complete है, इसको किसी भी चीज की जरूरत नहीं है. So when we can say that in our sentence the verbs they don't need any type of object or any type of word, so they are known as the intransitive verbs. So what is the basic difference between transitive verbs and intransitive verbs? Is clear?
Yes.
Am I clear to all?
Yes.
Okay, now give me some more examples of intransitive verbs. The sun shines. Very good. The sun shines. Okay. Next one. Any other example? Okay, tell me the verb also. Yes, but tell me. Shines. Very good. Yes, now. Any new one? Yes. Sorry. Birds fly. Good. Tell me the verb now, beta. Flies. The verb. Which verb? Tell me the type. Intransitive verb. So now this is the basic difference between transitive verb and intransitive verb. Okay. So now once again who will give me clarification of the difference between transitive verb and intransitive verb with one new example. Yes, Vijay. Intransitive verb, but I am petrified. Of what? तो ये कौन सी verb हो गई? Petrified. अगर हम इसमें verb देखें, I am petrified of what? I'm scared of what? तो आपको एक ऑब्जेक्ट की जरूरत है ना? I am petrified of lizard. I am petrified of spider. Of what? Yes. Okay. Take a quick recall by your own, and after that, give me one proper definition. Yes, please. Please. Verb complete in itself. Okay. Example now. Right, just Jyot, your answer is correct. Okay, think about the example. Yes, Angel. The sunsets. Very good. So now this is all about the transitive and the intransitive verb. So my dear students, exercise 1. Okay, exercise 1. You are not supposed to do it right now. This is your homework. So now let me guide you how you have to, do it. So in exercise 1, the question is underline the transitive verb in the sentences given below and circle the object. So this is very easy. One is already done for you. We received a gift from our uncle in USA. So here, which is the verb? Receive. And what we receive? Gift. So gift is the object. So am I clear? So listen to me. You all have to do this exercise in your notebook. Okay. So now who will tell me the be forms of verb? Be form of verbs. Yes. Hmm. Good. Yes. These are the B forms of the verb. Now give me examples on the B forms of verb. Yes. They are playing in the garden. Yes. Yes, beta. She is studying what? She is studying English. Yes, lovely. I'm playing football. Okay. Use other forms of B forms also. Was, were, has, have. Try to use in your sentence. Yes, beta. Okay. Yes. Lovely. Sorry. You beta. I have a beautiful dress. Very good. The thing is that some of you have lack of confidence. आप लोग hand raise नहीं करते हो, but आपको sentence आते होते हैं. Try to speak. Raise your hand and try to speak. Okay. They were playing in the park. Just no right. Yes, Nidima. Nidima, wrong. Being is wrong. Yes, now. The children. Close are. I'm talking about the B form. Use it. Reconstruct your sentence. Yes, Angel. I am. I'm burning the fire. Okay. Yes. Good. Very good. Yes, Pratap. Okay. So regarding this verb, we will discuss tomorrow. So today's I think so you all understood what is the basic difference between transitive verb and intransitive verb. If anybody has any doubt or any query, you can ask me. Yes, Gurleen, Lakshita, Shrishti, keep your camera on, beta. have to keep your cameras on? Yes. So in your homework, you all have to do exercise 1. Okay.